Guys, how to post picture post, text post, or long form videos include with a group. So you have 3 groups that you can upload as well, so together with your post. So I will show you guys from your example. If I want to upload picture, yes, this one guys. Okay, let's say good night. So guys, of course, put this picture, let's say good night beautiful people, and make sure put hashtag as well. So it's very important if we put hashtag, and of course put the location United Arab Emirates, and then that's it. Press the next, and guys, from here you can share to your story, and then share to the Facebook group. So you can share also to the 3 groups, minimum 3 group every post. Yeah, that's it. Because you know guys, as long as the post that we posted is aligned with the community guideline, all admin of the group, they will approve that one. Otherwise, if not aligned with the community guideline, they will reject our post. So that's it guys. So post, and now your picture, it will be post automatic in your wall, and automatic it will post also to the 3 group that you shared also. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.